The School of Graduate and Postdoctoral Studies believes in the importance of comprehensive, well-rounded educational experiences for every student. SGPS is excited to offer graduate professional skills training through face-to-face workshops and self-directed e-learning. Designed to supplement course-based and research-based experiences, GradProSkills training helps graduate students and postdoctoral fellows enhance the 21st century competencies needed for a successful future. Whether your path will lead you to industry, academia, government, or non-government organizations, GradProSkills will help you diversify your experiences and build capacity through research-informed professional development. Enhance your skills in teaching and learning, research and knowledge mobilization, entrepreneurship and leadership, professional communication, and career management. Register today for one of our weekly workshops or check out our self-paced modules and e-courses. Visit the Grad Engagement section of our website to learn more.